Hello everyone, it's Brandy from Say Something Crafty. I wanted to do an Etsy restock show real quick and just show you the items that will be in my Etsy shop. So I do have my beads and my tassels. I also have, and the beads and tassels are, these are the beads. They're homemade beads, really beautiful. And then the tassels, I have also different types of style of tassels and beads. They're not all the same. But and then these journals will be in there, but sorry, back to what I was saying. The tassels and beads are in the Etsy shop, and I also have bundle options if you want to buy them by the bundle, which is, you save a little bit of money, so that's nice. I mean, they're not like crazy expensive or anything, but then I have these altered books here that are my Christmas books, as well as this one. So those are in my Etsy shop, and I also have a link below so you guys can see the flip through, because I'm not going to flip through these right now. But these are my Avant-Garde journals that I put in there. If you guys are interested in those, if you have any questions about anything, please let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. These are some more of the beads. They're so pretty. And another tassel. But I just wanted to show you guys really quickly what I will have in my Etsy shop. That way, you don't have to see, individual videos one at a time. But if you are interested in the individual videos, I will have them posted below. And if you have any questions, like I said, let me know. And I hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.